Hello guys, welcome to this videos. In this video I'll show you how to actually install Claude code inside your VS Code. Claude AI is a very popular AI for programmers and coders. They have their own website as well. You can access it using Claude.ai, but you can even access it right in the VS Code itself. There is an extension that you can install. Just go to the extensions tab and in the search bar simply type here Claude code, and this is the second extension which comes. This is not the official extension. Official one is this one, but Claude is not free to use inside VS Code. So you just need to select this second extension which provides you with the interface of Claude. Just click the install button and just activate this extension. So after activating it, you will see this button appearing in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click this button, the Claude AI will open in the it will open it in the sidebar section. So now you can see it opens right in the sidebar section, and here you can type your message, and from the drop down you can even select your model as well, whichever model that you want to use. By default this is the model which is used. And let me just ask a question, write a Python program to add two numbers. So so first of all it is telling me that install Claude code first. So now to install this it's very easy. You should have Node.js installed first of all before installing Claude. So go to their official website and they given this command here. So you should have Node.js installed. I already have Node.js installed. You can check, cross verify. Just type npm version. So npm has 10.9 and also Node.js. We are using the latest version. You can see we are using 23.7.0. So you should have Node.js installed. After that, you just need to copy this command and go to your VS Code. Inside the terminal, just paste this command. It will globally install Claude code inside your system. And after installing it, you can easily use Claude AI inside your VS Code. So it is saying that Claude Code is not supported on Windows. So Claude Code requires Mac operating system or Linux to run properly. If you are using WSL, Windows subsystem for Linux, make sure you're running npm install from within the WSL terminal, not from PowerShell or command line. So what it is telling you that Claude Code is not supported on Windows. So you need to enable this feature by going to control panel. Just make sure that you have enabled this feature. Go to programs and turn Windows feature on and off. I've already enabled this feature, which is Windows subsystem for Linux. So this allows you to execute other operating system right from your Windows machine. So just enable this feature. After that, simply type WSL, and after that you will be able to enter into the WSL mode. You can even open PowerShell here. So now you are there inside your WSL mode here, you can see. Now inside this you basically paste this command here and then enter it, and now you can see that now it is executing this command here. Running from within the WSL terminal. So I think this, let me ask ChatGPT here, where where is the WSL terminal? So Pras, you will simply say, yeah, so just search. So I've already installed one distribution of Ubuntu. So now here is itself, you need to paste that command. So just go to this. So just copy this command here now. So once you do this, your Claude code will be installed here. If you're seeing this message again and again, I think it is not supported on Windows. You can make sure that you install WSL first. I've done that, but still it is giving me error. I think we do need to run this as administrator. Just try these options. If it is work, run as administrator and then install this. Hopefully now this will work. It is still giving me this error. So just make sure you are not running from Windows system. That's the only thing that I can tell you, but it is not free as compared to ChatGPT, Claude. So I think it's difficult to install it if you are using a Windows machine on Claude code. That's the thing. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.